upside down. Okay, let me put
How it's done, Leanie?
I don't know. I'm telling you, it was hard for me to get.
If you're upside down the whole
You're not
way,
as limber as you get older.
You'll be alright. You good to go?
oh, Leanie, wahoo! Now, if I'm upside down the whole way, will he catch me?
You might hit your head.
What if I can't get back up?
You will be able to. You just drop your legs and